There's me, there's us. There's them. We live in Dorset. So that's me, that's her, that's them. And together we are the Bear Fam. Look, all these glorious daffodils. Look. They're so beautiful. I've come down to a park that's near the seafront in Weymouth, but more up the locals end. It's called Lodmore Country Park. It's got a little putting golf thing in the middle and like a circuit that you can walk. But I used to come here with Ellie when she was a baby because I lived literally just a road or so away. So I used to walk dogs here, but I'd forgotten how peaceful and tranquil and pleasant it was, to be honest. Yeah, might find myself bringing the poochers here more often. That's the putting green. And then there's like a little stream. You never used to be able to see the water. They've obviously cleared it a lot. Look at the state of Jack's chest. Oh, you so need a haircut, mate. Know what I'm going to do when I get home. And so I've been literally, you see the trees on the far side, that's where I'm parked, and I've walked just literally round the green. That's where the path goes. And then it comes out, and then there's another big green area which has got a old railway round it. Not an old railway, like a kid's size miniature railway that does rides and things in the summer. And then the green in the middle is used for things like when the circus comes to town, or when we have little festivals, or just public gatherings really, or just people come in to walk their dogs, or picnicking, or you know, things like that. But I'd forgotten how beautiful it was. I can hear all these birds, but I can't see them today. Where are you all? Oh, I saw you flutter up there somewhere. I'm going to film them on this anyway. More daffodils! Yay! We love daffodils. My stepmum that died, when she was dying of cancer, I said to her, what do you think I should see and remember you by? And she said, oh, I love daffodils. So when the daffodils come out in the spring, remember me then. As if I don't remember her more often than that, but... So, Sue Wilkes, I remember you. I think of you often. And these daffodils are for you. Sorry, Sue. My little tribute was interrupted by my daughter ringing me. But that's fine because you loved Ellie. You loved Ellie so much. Look at these ones. Seriously, how beautiful are they? Oh my goodness, I'm in love. I'm in love. Come on, boys, up here. Come on. You're welcome. Loot it, just there he is. Oh, I probably missed him again. Loot it right in front of me then. Oh, beautiful boy. Thank you. Thank you for that. I'm going to get very muddy along here. This was a bad choice. I think we might have to go back, boys. Oh, maybe it's just this bit. Oh! I've got wet feet. Oh, it's gone right in my shoe. Oh my God, it's gone right in my shoe. It's gone up and over and in my shoe. Ah! Great. God, the things I do for you boys. Right, get on the path, Mother. Stop being a tithead. Morning, Maggie. How you doing? Eating all the buds off the trees, aren't you? Having a glorious time. Catkins. I don't know what their real name is, but catkins. And I hear a little birdie, but I don't see you. time looking with this camera. Pointless. Okay. A moorhen or a coot or something now. Now we're on the opposite side of the road, walking a minute ago. The local tip is to my right. And then this is sort of the land. I don't know why it was just left. I don't know why this bit is. It's just rough, and whether it's... Oh God, it's really muddy. We're going to get really muddy, boys. Oh, I don't know whether to carry on or not carry on. I better do it, haven't we? We better do it. Keep moving forward, boys. Keep moving forward. No wonder it's empty. It's so muddy. Nobody wants to come in this bit because of all the mud. Can't say I blame them, really. I don't mind. I'm a hardy soul with a foot full of mud, a shoe full of mud. Yo, Bear Fam. Now, sorry yesterday stopped very abruptly. Apologies for looking like a weirdo, but it's windy and I've pinned my hair up so it doesn't get in my eyes. I cut off very abruptly a minute ago. Well, it wasn't a minute ago to me, it was 24 hours ago, but to you it's seconds. Appreciate that. Because I started talking about Baby Bear, and I have promised myself not to discuss her personal life for now, so it got cut away. So it sort of came to a blinding what's it. We finished the walk, the dogs were muddier than muddy can be. Jack was covered. So they all came home. They all had a bath. And they've all had the beginnings of a haircut today. I haven't finished, but I started. Then I started listening to the Prime Minister talking about the coronavirus, and it sort of came to a natural conclusion for a while. Oh dear. It's actually really warm today. Yeah, very spring-like. Sorry, climbing hill, heavy camera, phone in the other hand, dog on lead. It's all a bit of an effort, really. Flipping coat insists on. I wish it would sit down, but it won't. I've been struggling a bit recently. Short of breath. It's probably because I've been smoking again, isn't it? Done it to myself. So what do we all make of this coronavirus outbreak around the world? Is it the end of us all? I know it's not the end of us all, but it just goes to show, doesn't it, how quickly something will spread when the day comes. Oh, try not to get muddy again, Jack. Hang on, should we go to the wood? Should we go to the woods? Nice day. Want to go wood? No, you want to go that way. I suppose we can go to the wood that way as well. Oh, nice breeze up here as well today. This is very nice. All in all, a very pleasant day. Right, I might catch up you in the wood. I need to see if there's anybody around so I can let Jack off. Oh. guys, it's really heavy. And they're really high. I've lost them again. Oh, there. I can't find them. I have to come out and go back in again. There we go. Bit of courtship going on, I feel. I can't keep this still, I need a tripod. There's the other one. Oh, my arms are killing me. What's going on? There's blinking them here as well. There's all sorts going on. All sorts going on. I dread to think what the dogs are up to. There you are, you little tinker. You try keeping still for 5 seconds, will you? Can't keep still. Oh, my arms are burning like hell. Oh. Just so you know, people, they're at the top of that tree. Top of this tree here. Oh. Giving me a neck ache. Try and get a bit closer. I expect they'll fly away, but you can always try, can't you? Hey up, mate, I see you. Sitting pretty, aren't you? Sitting pretty. Mr. and Mrs. My day started off, I was a bit blur, to say the least. But I decided to come down into the woods, she said, slipping on her ass. And I thought, I've often, and as I've come down into the wood, heard the woodpecker, never ever caught sight of him. And I've always been cross that I can't see him. So when I come down into the wood today, I can hear him. I can't make the noise, you know, what a woodpecker does. And I'm thinking to myself, the time I get down there, the noise I make and the dogs will be gone. Anyway, get down in here, and it didn't go. So I'm taking some pictures and really chuffing myself. And then, gobsmacks, I spot another one. So for about an hour, I kid you not, for about an hour I have been stood here, craning my neck to the top of these trees, trying to follow 2 woodpeckers around. They're obviously sort of courting one another, I would say, because they're sort of flirting. Seems to look the same across the board, doesn't it? Teasing, nuzzling, running away, coming back, showing off. So hopefully I've got some video, but I don't know, it's really difficult to keep this camera still you see the size of it. It's quite heavy, a couple of bags of sugar. And you're looking up there with it, sort of at like this angle. It's really difficult to keep it steady. Anyway, I hope I've got some video, and I hope I've got some good still pictures, because I'm chuffed with myself. My only regret is I didn't get a better picture of the two of them together, but they were flitting around so much that it was really difficult. But you will probably be bored rigid in the next week or so with numerous pictures of woodpeckers that I have taken, because I'm chuffed with myself. Anyway, that's about it for today and yesterday. Thank you for your company. I hope you enjoy the woody woodpeckers. What should we call him? William and... Ooh, a lady's name beginning with W. Lady's name beginning with W. Wilmina. William and Wilmina. Anyway, it's a beautiful sunny afternoon. It's quite still, reasonably warm. The birds are clearly really happy. And I'm happy now. I've seen Woody, or William, I think Woody. Woody and Wilmina. Right, take care of yourselves and each other. Thank you for your company. Thank you for your continued support and all your lovely messages. They are appreciated from the heart. So, take care of yourselves and each other, and I might catch you on the morrow. Sending you love. Bye.